Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be working on hopefully fixing this unit right here. Now do you know what this is? Well, this is a portable air conditioning heating unit, and this is good for small rooms, small apartments, dorm rooms, things like that, where you don't have a built-in unit built into the window, built into the wall, or a central air conditioning unit. Now I have central air conditioning in my house, so I really don't need something like this, but somebody threw this away. I saw it driving by, they put it right next to their garbage bin, and I thought, you know what, that would be an interesting experiment to work on to see if we can bring it back to life and figure out what's wrong with it. It would make for an interesting video for helping maybe one of you people out there, one of you folks that may have one of these units and maybe it's gone bad on you. So this little guy right here, let me get a little closer so you can look at some of the specs. And you can see right there, cools and heats, 13,000 BTUs, 3810 watts, etc., etc. You can look at all the good things that it does right there. If you have this unit and you have a problem, you know what we're dealing with right here. And let's go over to the side over here, and let me get you a little closer. And let's see, move the light over here. Too bright, too bright, too bright. There we go. That way you can see some of the specs of what this unit has, so you know what I'm dealing with right here. I haven't looked at any of this. I'm looking at it right now with you guys. So like I said, I just picked this up and I know very little about it. All I know is that it does have some life left in it, because if you plug it in, the control panel does light up, but it doesn't want to work. So what is the problem? Well, that's the mystery right there. But either way, it's a win for me either way, because even if the unit doesn't work, and even if I wind up throwing it away, because I'm certainly not going to put any money into this, not my unit, not something I really need, I just got it for fun. So I'm certainly not going to pour money into it. But it's a win for me either way, because it comes with a GFI unit, which I can cut off and, salvage it and keep it for something else. So either way, I get a free GFI unit. So anyway, let me plug it in and I'll show you what it does. Okay, so as you can see, we have it plugged into the wall right there, and the GFI does work because we do get power over here. If we hit power, let's see, mode, you see it lights up. So obviously it has some life still left in it and it wants to do something. And if we click the fan right here, you can see it'll go high, medium, low. So we can move that around. And then it has like hour settings and all sorts of different fun things. I know nothing about the unit, so I really am just pushing buttons randomly. I don't know what it does or what it doesn't do. You can select all the different things there going around doing stuff. Oh, come on. Fan, 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 there. Then you turn it on, turn it off. I don't know. Doesn't seem to do anything, whatever. Anyway, so I shall have to learn more. But right now, there is no air coming out of here. And let me move around the back. If we move around, hold on, let me get the light. Okay, if we move around the back, you can see the fan is inside there. It has a squirrel cage fan inside there. And it's pretty disgusting. Everything is pretty gross and disgusting. That's the way you get stuff. I mean, it is. Somebody threw it away for a reason, right? It's not going to be perfect. So if you look in here, look at that vent. It is pretty nasty. That is a nasty vent. Let's open it up. And boy, howdy. Look at that vent. Nasty. Look at that stuff. Nasty. Okay, nobody ever took the time to clean this out. So what I'm going to do is my basic starter process is to clean all this up. And I did make a video a couple years ago where I showed how to clean up a tower fan that didn't work. And I still have that tower fan a couple years later. It's still working just fine for all those people that are the naysayers that say that the water is going to kill it, it'll eventually rot away and be no good. Nope, I still have it 2 years later, still working just fine. Just got to keep it clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this outside and I'm going to hose it off, get everything nice and clean, and wait a few days for it to dry thoroughly before I try anything more. So you don't want to get electrocuted. You can watch that other video that I have, and you can go see exactly how that, how I did everything on there. And you can judge for yourself whether you want to try that for yourself or not. But let me get right here, where the fan is, let me get a screwdriver. Hold on. Okay, let's look inside here. I have the fan running at full speed, and come on, I can't reach it. I can't reach it with that screwdriver. There we go. Now you see how it still keeps spinning? That means it wants to spin. It's trying, but it can't do it. So I'm kind of guessing. Let's see. Now probably it would have stopped by now if it was just the initial speed of me pushing it. So I'm thinking it's giving it a little power, but not enough to keep it going. You see how it wants to keep going? See, my initial push would have worn out by now. It wants to keep going, but it doesn't have the power. So I'm going to see if the cleanup works. I'm going to clean it up and see exactly what it can do. So let's take it outside and clean this baby up. Alright guys, it's been a few days. I let it dry outside in the sun for a few days and I brought it in. Now it's totally dry, not leaking water. I haven't done anything at all to it from what you saw previously. So let's plug it in right now and find out exactly if it'll work. Will it work or will it be a bust? Well, obviously I'm hoping it works, but I don't know. So I'm going to find out same time you are. Let's plug it in. Okay, so as you see, it's plugged in. And the cord's running to the back of it. Let us find out. I put the cover back on the back of it. Nice and clean now, and I put it back on, so that's all set up. So, first time starting it since I cleaned it. What will it do? Will it blow up on me? Well, I'm going to be careful in case it does. But we got a blank whatever there. Let's see what it does. Oh, nice, cool air coming at me. My goodness, that is, ooh, so nice. Whoa. Oh, I'm sure you can hear it on the camera. Ooh. Remember last time it did not want to blow at all? Hold on, let me get a piece of paper in case you can't hear it. Hold on. Okay, in case you can't hear the fan going, you can see it's blowing. See, you can see the air coming out of it, so I'm not making this up. Remember, it did not blow at all the other day when I found it and cleaned it. Just a simple clean. Look how strong that is. That is really a good fan. Oh yeah. And it is nice and cold. Wow. You know what? I may keep this as an AC for my garage shop here because I have no cooling in this shop at all during the summer. During the summer, it gets really hot out here. This is really nice and cold. Oh, I love it. That was a good find. There you go, guys. Proof, again, that just a good cleaning will bring back old equipment that it just clogged up with garbage. So this is proof number 2 right there. And you can go see the other one, the other video I did with a tower fan, how I brought that one back with just a good cleaning. And here you have it with a portable air conditioner, and I brought this puppy back too. Somebody else threw it out. This is, I don't know, a $200, $300, $400 unit. I really don't know how much it costs right now. I will have to look it up online and see what they cost. But I just saved myself a bunch of money. Okay, and let me interrupt myself there for a moment. I wanted to make sure that you guys could see the fan is blowing right now, and it's blowing nice and cold. But if you want proof that the air conditioner does work, then I just figured out how to do this. Let me set this down here, lower the temperature, and you will hear the AC kick on. Right now you hear the fan, you're going to hear the compressor kick on. Now that is ice cold right there. You can hear the compressor going. And then the exhaust kicks on back here, getting rid of the hot air. That is really ice cold right there. Really, really great. This was a great find. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it showed you how easy it is to bring back old junk. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. But in this case, it's a real winner. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified of all future videos I produce. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.